3, 2, 1.
What year did Dell announce it wasn't relocating its Irish facility? The answer is A, 2009. What did you not do? The answer is B, you did not tell me about something. When was Player 1 Space Key released? The answer is B, 1979. In what year had it been planned to build a branch to Mitford? The answer is B, 1805. Display holiday cards. How would you do this? The answer is A, use binder clip as a stand. A Russian actor appeared in a film about a group of Westerners trying to flee Hungary, released in what year? The answer is C, 1959. Why is the narrator not getting good sleep? The answer is D, their child is sick. What made finals week so stressful? The answer is A, none of the above choices. How many $100 bills does it take to equal $1 million? The answer is C, 10,000. How do you use milk with cereal? How would you do this? The answer is A, take a bite of cereal, then a sip of milk. In what year did George Carey become the Archbishop of Canterbury? The answer is C, 1995. What will the narrator do with their flat tire? The answer is A, the narrator will call a mechanic. What may be true about the mixture? The answer is A, its color is dull. At what degree are the pistons of a two-cylinder compound connected to the cranks? The answer is A, 90. What may be a fact about their day with Taylor? The answer is C, they were boat watching together. In what year did Thomas Edison invent the phonograph? The answer is D, 1877. What happened before the incident? The answer is A, he drove down a convoluted driveway. How young was Beyonce when she acquired deals from American Express and L'Oreal? The answer is D, 18. What may I have looking at to buy? The answer is D, a pair of glasses. Men sets up and throw shot put balls in a track and field competition onto the field. Run a race in a track event. The man celebrates his throw and walks off the field. The crowd, what happens next? The answer is A. Stands up and cheers for the athlete. How do you go to the Air Force? How would you do this? The answer is A. Get sworn in by actual officials. What may happen before I see Mima and Pops? The answer is D. I got pregnant. What might have been lost in the mail? The answer is B. FAFSA application. What may be the reason they had to stand up to stay dry? The answer is D. The tent was small. When were 6 employees found dead in a restaurant's freezer? The answer is A. 1978. In what year did the Bee Gees relocate to Miami? The answer is D. 1975. Approximately when did the Nepalese tourism industry begin? The answer is A. 1950. Why did the narrator need to borrow something from their aunt? The answer is B. They needed to clean up. To find a suitable wood to make a cutting board, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a smooth, strong wood like walnut. When did Hack Wilson set a record of 56 home runs and 190 runs batted in? The answer is C. 1930. Why did the mom celebrate the narrator? The answer is A. It was for a commemoration of an important date. In what year did the Congress of Erfurt take place? The answer is C. 1808. St. Paul St. Louis Church was constructed on the orders of a monarch of the House of Bourbon who ruled as King of France from 1610 until what year? The answer is A. 1643. People are in the pool swimming. A person picks up a yellow ball and throws at orange cones. What happens next? The answer is B. Are placed on the side of the pool. Why can't the narrator tell you the truth? The answer is D. Because they are ashamed. What is Zach trying to do? The answer is A. Zach is trying to build a paper duck. Why is the female going out with another guy? The answer is D. She wants revenge. To remove gum from the bottom of shoes, how would you do this? The answer is A. Melt the gum away from shoes with a propane torch. What year? Rod Stewart was born, so was Bob Marley. The answer is C. 1945. When did Huyaebang visit Tibet? The answer is B. 1980. How many wheels does a car have? How would you do this? The answer is A. A car has 4 wheels. What may be a fact about Ross Perot? The answer is B. He has a lot of money. A gymnast swings back and forth from a bar. She flips and turns several times. What happens next? The answer is A. Then dismounts before the judges and crowd. What happened to the maid? The answer is B. None of the above choices. By what year is solar power expected to become the world's greatest source of electricity? The answer is B. 2050. How many hours did builders work in the winter? The answer is A. 52. What does the narrator do regarding horses? The answer is C. He spends a lot of time with them. How many American states begin with the letter W? The answer is C. 4. Which year saw the opening of the Thames flood barrier, the launch of the Hubble telescope, and Indira Gandhi's assassination? The answer is C. 1984. After what year did compounding cease to be used in Britain?